All right, this question came up actually from my wife, and I was able to turn to some of my friends in the GDE community and get this answered. So I want to answer this for you as well. If you're trying to activate GitHub in Gemini, which you'll see is here, right? Gemini, you got your new chat. You want to be able to work with GitHub. If you go over to the settings on the left-hand side and you hit connected apps and you scroll down to the other area, you may or may not see all of these things here. So here's how you can solve this. The first one is you want to make sure that's turned on. But in the admin panel, there's a couple of things that you have to make sure to turn on. So in the admin panel, just to go back from the main screen to show you here, under Generative AI, over on the left-hand side here, is Gemini App, Gemini Enterprise, Gemini for Workspace, Notebook LM, etc. This is where you're going to find the different feature settings for all of the different things that have to do with Gemini. Specifically for the Gemini app, you're going to want to go in and, first of all, make sure you have the Gemini app on. But then you're going to go into apps, and where it says other Google apps over here, this is where you're going to want to select that to allow access to other Google apps. And that's the first step for making sure that they show up down below. A few other things to check out that would help with this situation is in Gemini for Workspace, make sure you click Alpha Gemini Features on. I'm not sure if this is required for this or not, but it doesn't hurt. And that way you get to test new things earlier. Obviously, be careful of your admin. And if, whoever's in charge, if it's not you, they may not want you activating Alpha Features without, proper guidance or in the correct OU. So, of course, buyer beware, etc. And then if it's still not showing up, one last thing that you have to do is over in the apps area, which is right up over here. If you go into the Workspace Marketplace apps settings, you get this wonderful manage access to apps. Now, they will not show up if you have allow users to install and run only allow listed apps or do not allow people to install and run apps from the marketplace. They will not show up. What you need to do is either number one, just allow users to install and run any app from the marketplace if you want to. Again, keep in mind your own security settings and standards and guidelines, etc. Number two is you can actually go to the GitHub integration in the Google Workspace Marketplace, find that link and grab that and bring it over and add that manually to the whitelist. And then you will be able to include that, on your whitelist here. Sorry, allow list. Old habits die hard. On the allow list, and you will, as soon as that is completed, you'll be able to refresh over in Gemini, and it will show up here in GitHub. In fact, if the allow list is your problem, the only thing that will show up here is Synth ID. So that may be what you're looking at. As soon as you turn it on, HubSpot, Asana, GitHub, MailChimp, and Salesforce will all show up. All right, so that's how you solve that. I hope it was helpful. If you're new here, I make videos about business, professional technology, etc., with a heavy focus on Google products, Google Workspace, Chrome, Gemini Enterprise, Chrome OS, whatever the future Aluminum OS is going to be, as well as lots of other products in the Google Suite, Google XR, etc., as well as everything Ubiquity, which is over in my test track behind me. I make a lot of videos on that and even more. So if you like those things, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.